There really is something satisfying about restoring beautiful old pieces of furniture just like this chair. But over time, with our kids dragging it around to and fro, these joins have started to come apart. So there's no better time than now to show this chair some love and do some repair work. So let's get into it. To repair the chair, I'm using Selleys Araldite, which is a 2-part epoxy adhesive. The great thing about this glue is it can be used for load-bearing repairs and will hold up to 150 kilos. So let's pull this chair apart. Now that we've pulled the chair apart, I'm just sanding up the mortise and tenon joins just to take off any old dags of glue or timber burrs. Blow any dust out of the mortise holes and give the surfaces a good clean wipe with a damp cloth. Now that our surfaces are clean and dry, it's time to open up the Araldite. Firstly, snap off the reusable cap and snip off the end of the syringe. I'm using a clean surface to mix up our Araldite. I'm going to squeeze out equal portions of the glue, and the syringe makes it really hard to get wrong. So we'll squeeze that out there. Now the crucial step here is we're going to mix this really thoroughly. Make sure you've done a really good job here. Once that's thoroughly mixed, we're going to walk away. We're going to leave it for about 5 to 10 minutes, come back and mix it again, and then we're ready to apply it to our surfaces. 5 minutes has gone by, so we're just giving that glue another mix and we are ready to apply it to both surfaces. Now what we're going to do is apply the glue into the mortise hole and onto our tenon, and we'll put that chair back together. We'll also clamp it to make sure we're getting that nice strong bond. Now our surfaces are all glued up, it's time to put this chair back together. If there's any excess glue, you can wipe it off using a bit of nail polish remover, or you can wait for it to dry and sand it off. The super strength Araldite will take initial bond in 6 to 8 hours, but we're going to leave this clamped up for 3 days to get maximum bond strength. That was an easy fix, and we've given the chair a new lease on life, and who knows, maybe one day these guys will be reading to their kids on it.